Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a vegetarian dish that is called kakdichi kanyachi shak. Kakdi meaning cucumber and kani meaning rice flour. Okay, this is one of the dish prepared during Shravani Shanivar, and I've shown you in that Shravani Shanivar thali. So that is the dish I'm showing you today. Now the ingredients for the dish. I've taken this one cucumber. This you get during monsoons here in India. Okay, so I've full cucumber I've taken. Then I've taken half coconut shell, half coconut. Then sugar as per taste. I've taken 2 spoons here. Then 1 tablespoon I've taken rice flour. Then here I've taken hing. Hing, that is asafoetida, and a garam masala sambar, that is quarter teaspoon each. Okay, and salt as per taste. Now this coconut, I've extracted milk. I've taken, I've shown you in tomato sheet how that milk has to be extracted. And if you have ready-made, then you can take the ready-made one. So this is the one with water, more content. This is the thick milk. And this is the thin milk. Now the thin milk, I will be putting this rice flour. Okay. Now this is ready. Now the cucumber, how I've cut the cucumber, I'll just show you. I've already done it. I've peeled the cucumber. I've cut them into 4 pieces. Now these 4 pieces, I'll take off these seeds. Okay, because then the curry becomes very watery. So I've just taken out this. So I've taken out the seeds. And then I'll just make 4 pieces out of it. Square pieces. All the pieces should be equal size, so they cook equally, evenly. So I'm just cutting off this. So this is how you prepare the pieces for the kakdichi kanyachi shak. Now to these pieces, I will add 1.5 cup of water. 1.5 cup water, and I'll put it to boil. I will add this also, this hing and garam masala, and 1.5 cup water, and I will cut cucumber, and this is how it will look. Here, see, I've cooked it till the water evaporated, and this is how it will look. Fine. This is the cooked cucumber now. Now I will add the milk. Now see, I've mixed that rice flour into this thin coconut milk. Now I will add it in this kakdi. The gas is on, the fire is on full this, and I will let it boil now. The rice flour will cook, then I will add this thick milk. Now you can see the rice flour is cooked now. You can see light boil here, so it's boiling now and it's ready. Now I'll add the thick milk that we have kept. Okay, this is the thick milk. Then salt as per taste, and sugar I've taken 2 spoons, but depends on, some like it sweet. I don't like it very sweet. It's okay. I've taken 2 spoons. And now just again 1 boil, and the kanyachi shak is ready for eating. Fine. See, the color will stay white. Okay, there's no, you don't put turmeric powder and all in this. It stay white, and it is very nice to eat with khichdi. On Saturdays, Shravani Saturday we make khichdi. Now this you can prepare any time of the day, but I mean this is our typical Pathaya Prabhu Shravani Shanivar, one of the dish that we prepare. I hope you try this and you'll like it, and especially the kids love this because it is that sweet taste. And if you have a spicy khichdi or anything, it's very nice with it. It's good, combination is very nice. So okay, and the coconut milk, you want to know how I've taken the coconut milk, you go and see the, refer to the tomato sheet. In that I have shown you how to extract milk. 1 cup and all that. Those measurements you will see in that. Fine. Bye.